Today on Bugs Gone Wild, our new show. It's about bugs that are very dangerous. And, oh yeah, if my dad didn't kill it, but we wouldn't use it, but we would show it. There was a brown widow on our shed with a web. He built two giant webs this big. It was a giant brown widow about this big. It was that fat and its legs were this long. It wasn't a day long like I know that. The legs were about this long like that. Bugs Gone Wild. The show is going to be uploaded 3 to 5, 12 midnight. Thank you.